Hi Crafty Peeps, Enis here, and I'm on today with an after Christmas clearance sale haul from the Dollar Tree. And in this haul I did pick up some Christmas items, and I also picked up a few Valentine things and a few everyday kind of crafty things that I wanted to stock up on. So anyway, let's get started in this haul. As you know, everything is 50% off at the Dollar Tree right now, and I got some great deals on these. I want to start out first of all with these absolutely beautiful boxes. Look at these boxes. So cute, and they've got like a 3D automobile on the front here with Santa and a reindeer. And these are really cute. Look at the size of the boxes. So cute. So I got two of those. And these boxes, by the way, let me just measure it real quick. 6 inches by 6 inches. So yeah, nice little boxes, perfect for your swaps, other little gift giving opportunities. So I picked up two of those. I also picked up two of these, and I love these. I love the wood grain on them. They've got these beautiful Christmas tags with the glittered wording on them, and just really cute. We've got the plaid on the sides going all the way around, and then the lid has Christmas trees and polka dots and more Christmas trees and polka dots in the wood grain on the top, along with some snowflakes and some plaid on there. So I picked up two of those, and these boxes are 5.5 by 5.5. Also great for your swaps and gift giving. So I was really happy to get those, and frankly I'm surprised there were any of those left. And then here's the real bonus. I'm surprised any of these were left. Look at these bag toppers. Beautiful red and silver, and I think, yeah, there's two in each, and these are just gorgeous, and I can't wait to use these. This may be Valentine's Day. I could use these for Valentine's Day. Yeah, how pretty is that? Love the swirls on those. And then I picked up some tissue paper. They didn't have a lot of tissue paper left. These two packs were the $5 packs, and I got them for $2.50. And then this was the $1.25 pack that I got half off. And this one's 10 sheets. You get 5 of the solid color, and oops, Kiki's messing around with those swirly bag toppers. And then you get 5 of the cute polka dot and snowflake papers. Let me show you that real quick. Super cute. And then these are both different packages. And this you get 28 specialty, 32 solid, and 40 white. So there is something in here not only for Christmas, but for every other day of the year. This one has the Christmas trees and the words. And I'm sure there are other designs in there as well, but you get the gist of that. And then this one is really cute. Same thing, you get 28 specialty, 32 solid, and 40 white. And here we have polka dots and Christmas bulbs. Super cute. So I was happy to get those and put those in my stash, tuck them away for Christmas, and then use the solids for throughout the year. I also picked up these as well. I got the glittery fuzzy pom-poms in the green and red, 1 pack of those, and then the plain green, red, and white ones in a variety of sizes there. Very cute. And let's see, so that's it for the Christmas. Then for every day, I picked up a few things. I did pick up a pack of these 4 little dessert bowls. And what I plan to use these for is, you know, I frequently use these little dishes here that I also got at the Dollar Tree to put the beads and stuff in when I'm showing a haul. But sometimes you need something a little bit bigger. So I picked up these, and they do have a design on them, but I think they'll be okay. We'll give it a try and see. I thought they were really pretty, and I'm looking forward to trying those out. Then also for organization, I picked up this 3-space tray here. And I actually could probably even use this in the kitchen for condiments and whatnot, but I plan to use it in my craft room. And then I picked up a pack of these tea light candles. You get 20 in there. These are the little candles that you use when you're making wax seals. So the ones that I got that came with my wax seal oven, the little thing you put the spoon on. I have already used the candles all up, so I picked this up and I thought these would be perfect. They look exactly like the ones you get with the wax seal oven. So I got those. And then my sister talked me into getting these. I wasn't really looking for stamps or stickers today, but she found these and she grabbed one for herself and talked me into picking up one. But they do have some really pretty flowers and stems in here, so those are cute. And then I do really like these leaves. They got a little bit of glitter on them, perfect for layering your clusters and putting on cards and whatnot, so those are great. And then we've got these stickers, really pretty. And I love how these are the pop-up ones, so they're multi-layered. This one says joy, that says love, then you've got a bunch of florals here, the little windows with the little pots of flowers coming off the windows. So these will actually be good for Valentine's, spring, and summer. And then one of my sons is having a birthday on January 6th, so I figured I'd get a card for him. And their cards were only, this one was only $1. They might have some more expensive, they might have some that are cheaper, but I did pick up a card for my son. Well, one of my sons. I actually have 3 sons. And then I grabbed one of these hardware storage cases. Now, this is the larger one. And I kind of like this because it has some compartments that are bigger. Like they don't have the dividers in them. And also, I don't think these dividers come out. So in the smaller cases, you could remove the dividers. So I'm not sure what I'm going to put in here, but I thought I'd grab one just for trying it out. And if I like it, I'll go back and get more, because my store did have, they had quite a few of these in stock, but they had none of the small ones. So that's it for the everyday items that I picked up. And then Valentine-wise, I got another bag of pink shred. They had another one that had pink and I think it was gold in the same bag, but they only had one bag, and it was ripped open and part of the shred was out. So yeah, they're already out of the pink shred, so this was the only bag they had. I grabbed that up for my stash. And then they had the white and the red pom-poms. They may have had other colors too, but I just wanted these two, so I grabbed one pack of each of those. And then I found these, and I thought this was really cute. And this was one of the $1 plus items, so this was $3. But these are baking cups, and they're super cute. Let me grab one each out so you can see what they look like. And I think we can do all kinds of fun stuff with this. Well, I couldn't just pull one apart, so yeah, you get the gist of it. This one says hugs and kisses, and this one just has an all-over floral and heart design on it. And they're both trimmed off with the gold, so those are really cute. Oh, there we go, I got one apart. So aren't those darling? Yeah, you could put beads in there, you could put candy in there. Just all kinds of little goodies, great for swapping. So I got those. And honestly, the one thing I went in there for, the Dollar Tree we went to didn't have it, and that was those ornaments that I mentioned earlier. And then I picked up 4 packages of the Valentine heart tissue. And there's only 6 sheets in here. I think you get 3 of the hearts and 3 of the white, so that's why I picked up 4 packs. So those will come in handy not only for Valentine's but other times of the year. And the last thing I got were a couple of pairs of socks, and these have a big heart on them. Let's see, and it says love across the top. So I got 2 of those for swapping. So that's it. That's my Dollar Tree after Christmas haul with a little bit of Valentine's and everyday goodies thrown in. I hope you enjoyed this, and maybe you can hop on over to your Dollar Tree and see what's left over to pick. And don't get me wrong, the store did have a lot of Christmas stuff left, but honestly, I really wasn't that interested. A lot of it was like home decor pieces and the big wood plaques that you hang on the wall or on your door, and it just wasn't of interest to me, so I passed by. They also had some ornaments and some other things, but I really was interested in these boxes because I did pick up a couple of these boxes early in the Christmas season, and they worked out perfect for gifts. And I did use them for some swaps that I was in, and they're a great box, really sturdy. They didn't have any of the larger ones left, but they had plenty of these small and medium ones, and so I just thought I'd stock up on those. So that's my haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing these goodies, and you can find some good things left over at your store, and maybe your store has more Valentine stuff out. Mine didn't have a whole lot out yet, but hopefully it will in the coming days. And anyway, let's put away Christmas. Let's get into our winter and our Valentine crafting. And don't forget about swaps and gift giving for Valentine's Day, making Valentine cards and whatever else you like to do for your friends and your family, and just have a lot of fun crafting. So I will let you go, and I will see you on the next one. See you later, Crafty Peeps.